Say hello. Oh, you're purring. Now goodbye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I think you're crooked. Maybe I'm crooked. I don't know. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit like a chit-chatty, get ready with me. I'm on a time crunch, so yeah. But my hair's did, so that's unusual for my videos. Yep, see, I'm full of it today. Alright. I'm gonna find a beauty sponge, zoom you guys in, and just like get into this video. Okay, so now that you're up close and personal, hello. I'm gonna prime my face. I used the, what did I use? What was it? The Tarte, there we go, Drink H2O Moisturizer. It is phenomenal. I really like it. For today's video, I'm just doing like a chatty get ready with me, nothing major. I am not using the, I can't think today, the Dark Magic palette for this. I'm just doing a basic, simple eye look. I'm looking for my thing, and I found it. I haven't unpacked since my friend's wedding. It's still like just a hot mess in here. So I'm going to mention what I'm using because I feel like I always forget to put it in the description box. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's primer and moisturizer in one. Yes, I did moisturize, but I like to extra moisturize my face because it's dry. It sucks. So for the next video, which you'll be seeing this hopefully on a Sunday, and the video I'm going to film on the following day, well, have up for you guys next, is the Dark Magic palette. I'm going to try to shorten it to like 10 minutes. I talk a lot, and I know I do. I'm very sorry, but like I like to explain stuff to you guys. So I think I'm just going to like say my spiel and then, hold on. So I'm gonna grab the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and spray my beauty blender. I'm gonna like save my like comments till the end of the video for the Dark Magic palette because I have lots of mixed feelings about the palette. And this is kind of damp. It's gonna have to be good enough. I'm going to use I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte Foundation in the shade Fair Neutral. I really rather get like my base down and like kind of have my face together to go out. Oh, I wish I would have grabbed a clip. It's fine. It's fine. Life's fine. I really like this foundation still. I haven't used it in quite a long time, but I still really like it. Another thing is totally a random thing is it's beginning to be fall here and I love fall, and it's only because I like to wear jeans and scarves and long sleeve shirts. So I really would like to up my game this year and really focus on Halloween tutorials next month and like just, you know, be a better makeup person because I still have a lot to learn, like I keep saying, and that's something that I really would like to change this year. I know I did a look last year and it came out horrible, but that was like my first time ever filming a look, and I don't think I filmed it, I did it a Facebook Live, and it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Like I had this whole image in my head and it just did not do what I wanted it to do. And I'm just setting my foundation with some translucent powder. It has a little bit of a peach sheen to it. And I think it's just better for my fair skin because it's not like leaving like a white outcast. Or a white cast, not outcast. I was using the Tarte Smooth Operator translucent powder, and I would take pictures and then you could see like white like right in this area, and it was not by any means attractive. So I don't use that one anymore. I mean, I probably could actually mix the two, and it might be like a cool thing to do and try. But for the sake of my time in today's video, no, I'm not gonna try that. I think I'm doing better than I ever did in my freaking 7-minute makeup challenge. Or it's because I don't have the clock next to me, so I don't know what time it is. My alarm's gonna go off at 11 o'clock when I have to leave. But yes, back to what I was saying about tutorials and such. I would really like to up my game this year with my brain today. It's literally just not working. I just have a box full of clean brushes, by the way. That's what I'm grabbing. This one looks good. I'm gonna use this. shopmissa.com. These were like $20 for 20 brushes or 21 brushes, something like that, and they're literally $1 a brush. Everything's $1 on there for the most part. It's wonderful. I'm just gonna take this Absolute New York strobing and shading palette, and I'm gonna go in with the Cool Toned bronzer over here. So yes, I just want to film like oh no, got the wrong shade. I want to film my brain. Seriously, it's not working. Like fall looks, you know, like a bold lip and like a neutral eye, and then like a bold eye and a neutral lip, or you know, bold and bold or neutral and neutral. I have lots of plans for fall because I really like fall. I want to do vlogging, like if we go out to like pumpkin patches, which I'm dragging my boyfriend to. He just has no idea. So please don't watch his videos so you get any ideas. And if you do, well, hey, thanks. Appreciate it, babe. But yes, so I'd like to vlog Halloween-y things and fall things. And my best friend's coming up from Florida. And we're hoping to go back down eventually at some point of our lives to visit them. But while she's up here, I probably will do vlogging. Because she's like, yeah, to vlog. And I don't normally I don't know. Like, she's a good person to vlog with, thankfully. And she just has, like, creative ideas. And I'm just like, this is why you should be vlogging, not me. But, yes. So we're probably going to vlog when she's up here. And, yeah. I think that's all the information I need to share with you guys. I had like a list of things I wanted to tell you guys, and I just don't remember what it was. I really want to go back to Gen Beauty. Random, I know. Maybe not New York City's Gen Beauty, but somebody's Gen Beauty. New York City is just, like, gives me anxiety. Like, it's intense. So, that's my thoughts for today. In case you all were wondering. I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Looks like so. I'm hoping that I can, like, have my boyfriend's dad help me build some lighting. That'd be fantastic. Because I just have like one little dinky, I mean it's not dinky, it's a big giant ring light. And it comes in handy for like things like this. But I really would like to make some soft boxes or like figure out a way to have, you know, like different lights aiming at me that aren't too bright. If you know what I mean. you don't, then that's okay. Just listen to me ramble. It's fine. My skin texture's been really changing a lot. Again, I'm sure you don't care, but it's okay. This is what my Chit get ready's like. Get ready's are with me are. I blab about. I have 500 things to like blab about. And then I like to talk. But I haven't done one of these in a really long time either, so I feel like I have a lot to share with you guys. What was I even saying? I don't even know. That's the sad part. Oh, for highlight, I'm just using this little mini Tarteist by Tarte Pro Glow To Go compact. It has bronzer and 2 highlight shades and a mirror. And I'm using the middle shade called Burst. But what was I saying? Don't you hate when that happens? You like say something and you're like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Or is that just me? Because it's probably just me. Oh, my skin. My skin's been changing a lot this year. I will say if you have acne, like I have acne, you guys can go through my own videos, you can see that I had like horrible cystic acne, hormonal acne, and I am on medication for it. And I'm really afraid for the day they take me off of it because I don't want it to come back. Like, I'm horrified for that day. I really am. Anyways, so I have been using, ironically, Cetaphil face wash and the Tarte Drink H2O moisturizer, and I have not broken out. And normally I do, and I am thankful that I'm not because I don't like breaking out. I mean, I'm not self-conscious about it like I used to be, but I definitely don't enjoy it. But I don't really think anybody enjoys breaking out, so there's that too. I'm in my brows really quickly. Making sure my hair is not flattening. I just used a, if you're wondering, a like 1-inch curling wand to curl my hair. I'm still getting used to the length, if I could talk. So yes. Brows now, brows. I had a thing. Oh, okay, I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. Yes, Taupe. Which I used last time I did my brows, and I really like how I made my brows look. I really need to do my brows. Like, that is horrible. I really need to go do my center brows before I leave. Ah, goodness. Oh, random. Very random. So, has anybody heard of the Flawless, I think it's called Flawless. It's like, and if you have, leave them like a heart emoji down below. Because I just want to know if you have heard of it before I sit there and explain what it is to you guys. So, the Flawless, I think it's called Flawless. It is this thing for your face, and it removes your peach fuzz. I'm going to be using the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 1, just to make sure my brows don't move. But it removes your peach fuzz without hurting your peach fuzz, like without hurting your face. You just move it really slowly in like small circular motions, and it's amazing. And I'm telling you this because I need to redo my face as I'm sitting here staring at it. But yes, like you can do like your upper lip, your lower lip. It doesn't like cut your lips at all. It doesn't like pull your skin. It doesn't leave, red marks. It doesn't make your hair grow back any thicker or faster or anything like that. Which it's a myth. People think that by, shaving your face or plucking your peach fuzz makes it grow back thicker and darker and all that stuff. No, that's a serious myth. Setting spray, I used to use the Glam Glow Glow Setter setting spray. This stuff smells like peaches with like I don't know, like Bath and Body Works perfume. Like, it smells wonderful. Smells delicious. I'm probably gonna spray it at my face again. I just don't know where my other setting spray is, so I don't really have time to be looking for stuff at the moment. So for eyes, this is my basic go-to look. I kid you not. I'm gonna take. I'll show you what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take that the shade and strobing and shading highlight and contour palette, and literally, guys, I'm gonna go back in with that contour shade that I used or bronzing shade that I used, and put it in my crease. And you're gonna be like, why? Because I don't have time to do anything classy. That's why. And it's really like, this is like my go-to look. If I'm running out the door, yeah. I'm just gonna take this brush. It's a concealer brush, but it's gonna have to work for my eyeballs. So I kind of try to keep it strictly in the crease, but I always go a little on the lid too. It just gives your eye a little bit of definition, not too much, not too little, just a little something in the crease. Alright, so I'm going to grab this shade over, so I took this one, I'm going to grab, I think, the one over here, and put that also in the crease. Like so. I'm going to take that same highlighter brush and whatever's on here, just put it kind of under my brow bone. This is totally cheating. It's definitely fine. Okay. So mascara. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I thought for the longest time it was voluminous telescopic, but apparently it's just telescopic. See, I am not in center. No, I am. So it looks like this. I did not curl my eyelashes. I don't have time to curl my eyelashes. Let's do lips really quick. I'm just going to do... I really want lip gloss. So I'm just going to do my Sephora Oil Infusion lip color in the shade Iced Coffee. For this look, if you guys enjoyed this, I'm going to zoom you out really quick. So this is the final look, like I just said. Yes, quick, easy, didn't take too long. I'm out the door. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.